Which manufacturing process depends upon electrolysis? Downs process, sulfur dioxide is evolved, lead sulfate is consumed, Czochraski process. The correct option is option A, Downs process. Downs process is the manufacturing process that depends on electrolysis. It is used for the extraction of metallic sodium from molten sodium chloride. It involves electrolysis of fused sodium chloride. Sodium metal is obtained at the cathode and chlorine gas is released at the anode. Sulfur dioxide is evolved, the chemical reaction observation, not manufacturing process. Lead sulfate is consumed. This refers to reaction in a lead acid battery manufacturing and used in growing single crystal of semiconductors, not electrolyte base. So, which manufacturing process depends upon electrolysis is the Downs process. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for patience. Let's now bye bye. See you again.